Hi, my name is Kadi Kuyate. I am the Migrant Response Manager from the Migrant Response Network. So she's going to be the first one to start with the pasta sauce. I'm excited to talk to you today about the life skill classes that we have recently started. The first one will be based on a cooking class. As you may know that most people from West Africa, men don't get a chance to cook. Woman is the one who's taking care of everything in the house. This is America. So whether you men or woman, you have to learn how to cook in order to survive. That's why you have oven in the apartment. You have microwave in the apartment. Life is not just work and then home. We decided to help them, teach them how to make soup on a crock pot. Since they already have vegetables, they have meat, and then all they needed to do is just learn how to use a crock pot and then make a soup with all those nutritious food that they're getting from food distribution places. In West Africa, you don't get a chance to eat cauliflower. You don't get a chance to eat mushrooms because they think that mushroom is just for animals. But you know, we have tomatoes, we have potatoes, we have cucumber, all those ones. So they need to realize that, oh, okay, it tastes good. Let me taste it and then see how it is. Very excited to support all the migrants that are coming from West Africa. And even if you're coming from other places, my coworkers, they are Latinos and then they speak Spanish. So they'll be very helpful willing to support us with translation and then see what is the area where I can support you, help you, just to improve your life in the US. I feel like it is my role and my responsibility to help them understand that they need to learn how to cook, eat nutritious food, and then be healthy.